Super excited. Just got my first local business client. Going to put this money in the bank. $97, but it's a start. We're going to make this happen.
Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm super excited. You saw the intro, right? I made my first money from an offline client, my first cash from a local business. And if you've been following this channel or you're new to it, I'm on a mission to build a 6-figure digital marketing agency, starting from scratch. All right, so this is like my fourth video talking about it, and I actually got paid. Now my client, he paid in cash, which, hey, it's all good. A lot of people like to have it set up on automated pay, or very few people like to write checks these days. But hey, he wanted to pay in cash. It's all good because it's still spend the same. All right, so it was the client that I got using the strategy that I talked about before, which is doing going to ribbon cuttings in your area, right? And I guess it don't even got to be in your area, but basically you do a search. You can even find them through your local chamber of commerce, or you could just do a Google search and just put in like ribbon cuttings near me or ribbon cuttings in whatever city you're in, right? You want to find these ribbon cuttings, right? If you can attend them, great. Go to them, introduce yourself, let the owners know or the managers know of the new business, let them know what you do, who you are, and just introduce yourself, right? But if you can't make the actual ribbon cutting, all right, in which I couldn't make it of the client that I got, so I went a week later, all right? I went in to their business a week later and I was like, hey, did you just have a ribbon cutting, right? And they were like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, cool. I wish I could have made it, but I just want to introduce myself, and this is what I do. Here's my card, blah, 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 right? And long story short, he ended up turning into a monthly paying client, which is super exciting. And that just shows me, and it should show you, that making money, taking the entrepreneurial route is real. You can do it. I'm just a normal person, just grinding. I'm persistent, but I take action, and that's the key. Taking action, and it feels so good when you have a plan, you actually implement it, and then you get results. That is like one of the best feelings in the world. But this video is just to share with you, to document, hey, I got my first paid client, and I'm excited to get the second, the third, the 20th, the 40th, and so on and so on, because I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to make it happen. So that's that, guys. If you want to follow along, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to always be updating the good and the bad, the ups and the downs of building my 6-figure digital marketing agency. All right, that's it. It's time to get back to work. I will see you in the next video. Peace.